Oh yeah, baby. Chop it up for us. Get all that garlic chopped up, baby. Yeah. What's the flavors for today?
Mango, cheese, and cookies and cream.
Got mango, cheese, and what's the other one?
Cookies and cream.
All right, hold on a second. Let me get my wife. I needed 5 pesos, and I noticed there were some coins on the window. You need one more? All right. What's that? How the hell did Divvy Mark coin get on the windowsill? All right, we'll put it back over there. So I got 4 coins. No, that's a Divvy Mark. 3 pesos. All right, folks, I'm making some biscuits. Going with gold medal self-rising flour. Shout out to Eric and Mercy for finding that for us. All I got for milk is some cream. I got baking powder, and I got some salt. And I'm gonna try to make some biscuits in our new little grill right here. Check that guy out. My goodness, it's so cute. All it's got is a timer, and it's going. See if I can get a tune out of this trombone and make some biscuits for my beautiful wife over there who's slaving over cutting that garlic. So let's see what we can do. This is my badass camp spoon right there. That cream came out of there. I gotta add a little bit of water to it. But you know what it reminded me of? I need some sour cream. I gotta make my own sour cream, I guess. But yeah, add a little bit of water to that cream, and then we're gonna get some milk to make these biscuits with. Man, it's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah, real nice. Real nice with that camp fork. My spoon going here. Wait a minute, I need to change them up. I need a spoon over there and a fork over here. Hey, you tired of what, baby? You tired of the garlic? Oh yeah, you're making great progress, baby. Don't give up now. The finish line is in sight, baby. No, you handle that. I'm over here trying to make biscuits. Ooh, party foul. The camp spoon went into the mix. Got my Camel plugged in here. It's got a real short cord. I got to get an extension cord where I can keep it over there. We put it on this bamboo chair and jacked it up on here because I know this somebody's gonna get hot. Let's just cut this thing on. Oh yeah, we got power as indicated by the red light. Let's see if we got any action going on in here. Yeah, I see some red down there. This is what I got right here with the dough going down. Perfect. It made a perfect consistency. And wife number 1 is gnawing down on, I don't even know where she come up with this. My God. What I want to do is just, this is a consistency. It's a little sticky, so I don't want to get my hands on it. Just put these like drop biscuits, you know. Just drop them on there. And these some bitches are probably gonna stick like bandits, but like I said, that's the price of doing business. Let's just get it going. I ain't waiting. Alright, folks, some jokers coming in my oven. Rocking out this Camel. Oh shit, look at that. There's all kind of action going on in there. Let me drop that. Oh yeah, that little, I bet them biscuits gonna rise and hit the top of that thing. Going in there. Got the timer set. Boom, finesse, let's do it. Folks, this thing's been here about 13 minutes. They are going, I think they're gonna go full Monty. I'm talking about these are probably the best damn biscuits I've made in a long time. And it all has to do with that gold medal self-rising flour. Eric, man, thanks for picking it up for me, brother. My God, I gotta get on Lazada and order a fucking case of that. Folks coming in here with the honey. But the mind don't even know. And I keep the honey in the ref. Ah, oh, damn, this shit gonna come out of there? Damn, gotta put a grip on that. Put an old man grip on it. Still ain't coming out. What the hell's going on with this? Hell, they had that. I took that off, but there's a damn thing up in there. I don't know how to get that shit out of there. The fuck? Fucking this shit ain't even funny. Fuck it. Let's get a redneck style. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's all you gotta do right there. How in the hell do you get that thing out without tearing it up with a knife? I don't know. It's beyond me. Look, we're gonna maximize the energy coming out of this grill. Look at that. Full Monty biscuits. I broke a fork, but I got the damn thing out of there. Look, if you're gonna put a seal on here, I don't really think we need a fucking seal on here too. All right, come on now. Folks, I want to thank you for joining us on today's little video. Little Forsy's taking his afternoon nap. He's on his schedule, doing real good on his schedule. Taking his little nap and sleeping, and getting up and playing, sleeping all night. I just wanted to cook him some biscuits, having some honey biscuits ready. Maybe having one with honey and one with that grape jelly. I got grape jelly, and have him eat and experience just some good old down home southern cooking biscuits. Now look, they'd be a hell of a lot better if I could put them in that large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. It's made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. But that large ain't gonna fit in my Camel over there. So I'm doing the best I can with what I got. If you're not a subscriber, hit that Overstay road sign, bottom right hand corner of your screen. Just smash that Overstay road sign. Smash that bell. Yo, Adrian! Who's that ringing that bell? It's me, Rocky! I cracked myself up. Yo, Adrian! One ingredient, just a little bit of butter. I'm gonna put that butter in that honey right there. There we go. Get the butter in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Now that's gonna be absolutely delicious. Honey butter. Biscuits still cooking. And we're about 25 minutes right now. So I'm thinking in my small oven, it's gonna take 30 minutes to cook them biscuits. But at least now I know. No big deal. That butter. No big deal. Put them in there for 30 minutes. Let them cook. Let them go to work. Huge lesson learned. Okay. The biscuits on the back were cooking and the ones on the front next to the glass weren't. So halfway through this, what you need to do is pull this out and turn it around. Because these guys are almost done. Those up there that are just spun around, they're not done. So I'd recommend at the 20-minute mark, you flip it around. How we doing with the butter? Oh yeah. Little honey butter coming in there. Working with 35 minutes. 35 minutes with a twist in between on them biscuits right there. And you know what? I think we need to go a few more minutes because in the back they ain't right. Maybe we're gonna go to 40 minutes. 40 minutes on these jewels. Man, I wish that fucking rack would stay in there, but the whole thing comes out. I think I'm okay with it. Those could use maybe a few more minutes, but I don't want to burn the rest of it. So take a look. 40 minutes, but next time, just a learning lesson. You know, like 25 minutes into it, you pull it out and you flip them around where this side can get the same heat in the back of that little oven, because you know the heat's in the back. If you close this up, this is not the heat right there. So at 25 minutes, flip them around. But I'm gonna call these Iraqi done. Look at that. Look at that. That is perfect. Coming over here on the bowl. And my old lady's over there taking an unauthorized nap. And the only reason I let her take an unauthorized nap is because I'm about to wake her up and surprise her with these biscuits. Now that one's kind of falling apart on me, so these are fine. The problem is these on the front didn't get enough heat. All right, I took a taster of that one on the bottom, on the floor. I'm gonna tell you right now, there's too much salt. There's no need for that much damn salt on a biscuit. It's just not. They're flaky, they're falling apart, but I expect I suspect that's because of the cream. Instead of milk, I use the cream. But folks, look at this. Cutting them up with the Bear Grylls. And when they just paint it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm going full Monty. I want Fatima to wake up and put a fork into that and just say, oh my God, why did the Lord bless me with this canoe that can do this culinary magic? Baby, I made you some heaven, baby. Fatima, hello. Come over here and eat my magic, baby. My God, that's heaven on earth right there. That is, George Strait just said the word honey in his song. That's a sign for me to make this every day. Look at that. My God. I feel like I'm at the Cracker Barrel. I'm at the Cracker Barrel, but I'm at the best Cracker Barrel out of all the Cracker Barrels in the United States. Look at that. It's all about the flour. Gold medal, self-rising flour. Wherever Eric and Mercy got it, I gotta go get a case of it. Take a big bite of that, baby. Now, I know you're looking haggard. You didn't want to put your hair down. Take a big bite of that and tell me how delicious that is.
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah? Are you sure? What's it taste like? A little bit salty. I did. I screwed up. I put too much salt. But you always complain that I don't put enough salt. So I put the salt. But how does it taste? Good, no good, or delicious? Are you glad I woke you up? You going to sleep or are you going to eat my biscuits? I just chopped up these vegetables. Fatima's still sleeping. Forrest G's still sleeping. And I'm over here with the coconut chopper. Well, I mean, I got one-handed operation now, but I'm chopping up this chicken. I'm driving forward on a great meal for my crew before they even wake up. I'm so excited. And Judge ain't blind. Come on down here, baby. Amarillo by morning. Amarillo's on my mind. Get in there. Need a lot of you, because I got a lot of chicken. I need a lot of you, baby. Thank you very much. Sit over here by the fireball, boys. There we go. Let's get it. Got lemon pepper on there. Hit it hard with the lemon pepper. You can't go too much on the lemon pepper because it's chili powder, because it just gives it a beautiful color. Look at that. How's that for the video? My God, look at that. Coming in here heavy on the garlic. Coming in heavy on the garlic. Let's get it a little bit more. She's gonna get pissed because she gotta cut some more tomorrow, but I don't give a damn. I'm putting garlic as thick as I can get it. Yeah. Coming there with a carrot and a couple taters. The onion I had was bad, so ain't no onion tonight. Shit happens. And I cast no stones. What gives you the right? Fucking Cody Jinks, man. Love it. Tell me my business. Out of your mind. Tell me my business. You're out of your fucking mind. Let me get mine. Folks, I just made a badass meal for beautiful wife number one and my little Forrest G. My goodness, they're gonna be so impressed. those biscuits that I made from that gold medal self-rising flour, I'm finna order like 18 million cases of that. That's how delicious it was. So I got them biscuits, homemade biscuits. I got that butter honey sauce. I got a little chicken leg left over by what the old lady made this morning. I got no idea what the fuck it is. Some type of mystery sauce. And I have some chicken. You can't call it soup because it's got a sauce to it. A chicken, potato, carrot sauce with a little bit of cornmeal in there. My God, it is absolutely delicious. Folks, I'm a culinary genius. If you haven't already recognized the skills, you know, Gordon motherfucking Ramsay, I think he stalks my channel to check my cooking skills, check my techniques, and then he goes out to wherever he's doing and acts like it's his own ideas while he's hurting people's feelings. Folks, I'm telling you right now, I throw down today while my little Forrest G and Fatima were sleeping. He's awake now. He's awake. I told Fatima, I said, look, just let it cool down just a little bit, and that boy is ready to chow down. Folks, I'm drinking a Captain Morgan and Sprite. You know why? Because I'm out of Coke. Smoking a cigar, courtesy of my buddy Dude Shooter, man. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to them game blues. My goodness, I love a game blue. Folks, it's another day here in the PI. Another day in the PI in the Philippines underneath the guava tree. Which there ain't but about 5 damn guavas left on that tree. Because my ladies have ate every guava on this tree. Goodness. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't know why she keeps using this tree as a storage rack. I told her, don't put the clothes basket in the guava tree, baby. Respect the guava tree. But she ain't gonna listen to me. Look, they in there right now. We're just waiting to eat my delicious food. All that noise over there. Everything's the same damn thing, I think, till I was alive. High cost of living ain't nothing like the cost of getting high.